never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, TSO Day. This is the battery I tried to save out of the guinea pig, and it ended up one of the cells inside is swolled up pretty bad. So I just had this thing on the charger, pumped it up to like 13.5 volts, and put these butt connectors on there, and we're going to see what a direct short will do in a lipo battery. So stay with me for that. Be a fun little experiment. Here we go. I'm narrating this part, so please excuse if you can hear the sound of the 3D printer running in the background, because the audio didn't turn out so well when I recorded the video. So I just plugged it in, and it doesn't take long before you can see it start to puff up a little bit, and then you can see the smoke shooting out by the front of the wires there, and then it just gets worse from there. Looks like it's not going to be too severe for a little bit, and then holy cow, like so much smoke starts coming out of the back of the battery as well as the front by the wires there, and it starts melting the heat shrink. You can see why a short on a lipo battery is no joke already. Look at that thing puff up, and you could hear it just sizzling and burning too, so it was getting really hot. There was so much more smoke than what it looked like. It was crazy. This is like worst case scenario if you had a direct short like this. You know, if you put on like an XT60 or any other type of different connector and you don't use heat shrink, and like say a small Allen wrench or something falls on your connector, this is what can happen. I'm definitely not a really too much of a safety oriented type guy. I take a lot of risks when it's just myself, you know, I don't put other people at risk, but just for myself, I do take a lot of risks just because I'm not, I don't know, I'm not afraid of a lot of things other people seem to be. But yeah, lipos should be taken seriously. So at this point, it's starting to calm down, and I'm thinking, you know, the worst of it's probably over. Can't hear any more sizzling or anything like that. So I turned off the camera and started to walk away, and then turned around like, holy cow, it's smoking way worse. So this has been around 2 minutes, and I'm thinking it's calming down again, but I still keep rolling the camera just in case. And then I'm not sure what happened here, but dang, like 5 times as much smoke all of a sudden starts rolling out of this thing, and it's really hot. It's just insane. I'm well away from it right now because I'm not about to breathe any of that lipo smoke. I don't know what that would be, but probably not good at all. At this point, you can see the little aluminum, well, I don't know what they're made out of actually, the metal cells inside the packs themselves, and they're just black. They've just been burned. So I come in here for kind of a close-up just so you guys can see the damage. Not good. You can see inside the cells themselves, the individual layers, if you look close. So stay safe with these guys.